but because it was night time, we couldn't see much of the forest. I mean, we could feel the presence of the forest. It was all around us. So today we're going to go back to experience the forest once again. Thank you. Thank you. We have poha, samosa for breakfast. We'll have some of this. He's preparing chai for us. Chakkar kam. Thank you. So, let's try the pohe. Nice, everything's good. So guys, yesterday's ride was amazing through Pench Forest Reserve. It was beautiful, but I wouldn't recommend doing something like that unless you're in a group, then it's fine, or in a car, because that worry is constantly there. What if you have a puncture? What if the bike breaks down or something? The highways are beautiful, 75, 80, 85 kilometers per hour easily. It just zips through the entire forest. But still, there are places where you can see, many places actually, where you can see thick forest cover on both sides. You know, it's getting illuminated by headlights, and you can just see it's just a little bit inside the forest. It is surreal, but it is also scary if you're doing it at night. So today's plan is to go, I'm going to go back to Pench. I think that place is calling me. I want to experience that place in the morning time. We'll see what it is like. We're going to be staying in a resort, and let's see how the day unfolds. For now, let's finish having this breakfast. He's making chai for us over there. My special chai, adrak and kadak. Let's try. Good tea. Chalo, let's quickly finish this breakfast and then let's head to the resort. It's deep inside the forest. We want to experience the forest the whole day today. So check into the hotel, drop our luggage in there, and then go out again on the bike. Explore the place a little bit, Pench. I don't mind going 20-30 kilometers here and there. Let's do that. Today is going to be Pench exploration. Let's begin. So we are off from Seoni. This is the lake on the right, Seoni Lake. It's a very big lake actually. Looks man-made, but it's nice. It's got all these eateries on the left, stalls. Now we are going to Ram's shop once again to have chai, and then we will move towards Pench. Pench is not very far from here. It's about 45 minutes, 1 hour. We are not in a rush to leave. It's 12 o'clock. This is the market, morning market of Seoni in Madhya Pradesh. Even along the highway, inside the jungle also, a lot of people were selling sitafal. This is the bus stand, I think, of Seoni. I don't know how to describe it, this place. And that's Manohar Chai. That's where we're gonna have our tea once again. We were there last night also, if you guys saw the previous video. गुड मॉर्निंग राम जी. गुड मॉर्निंग. मैं सोचा आपका चाय पी के जाएंगे निकलने से पहले. चलो आज कोई जल्दी नहीं, क्योंकि नज़दीक ही जाना है. 40-50 किलोमीटर ही है, तो कोई टेंशन नहीं, आराम से निकले. हाँ, आपको तकलीफ़ तो नहीं हुई ना शॉप? नहीं, आपके शॉप आ गए, आपके कस्टमर रहते हैं, इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ मैं. हाँ तो आते जाते रहते हैं. यस, ठीक है. चलो फिर चाय पी लेंगे, है ना मोही? कल आपका चाय बहुत पसंद. कल कितने बजे बंद किया फिर शॉप आपने? 12 बजे. यहाँ से जाओ क्या? ठीक है, चलेगा. ओके, चलो बाय राम जी. अच्छा लगा मिलके. बाय. It's getting hot. So as we are exiting the town of Seoni, going over the railway crossing, it's a very small city actually, about I don't know, maybe 7 or 8 kilometers in length, maybe 10. But the hospitality is amazing. Hello. People are very nice, people are very friendly, and now we are going to get back onto the highway and move towards Pench. I'm excited to see the jungle in daytime. In the daytime, in daylight, I mean. We are back on NH44. This road will take us towards Pench Tiger Reserve. See guys, these are the gates. Behind these green curtains is the forest. It's all forest area. Amazing. Tigers, leopards. Yeah. This way to go towards Nagpur, and that way to go towards Jabalpur. Anyway guys, we just found an opening over here in the barricade, and I think this road goes inside a village. I don't even know if you're allowed to go in there. Anyway, let's just try. Nice, we're inside the jungle. Safari jeep. Yeah, let's find out about this thing now. Tigers. Hello. Hi. We're trying to see how far we can go and how big is this village before it gets over and the jungle begins. This is really fascinating. Look at these houses. There's proper coexistence between wildlife and the people. Just amazed to see there's so many livestock outside. I mean, we are in tiger and leopard territory. So many goats and dogs and cows. This is where the jungle begins. Oh my god, look at this, Moini. This is where the road ends and Pench forest begins. How cool is that, है ना? Nice. I think wrong turn. We have to head back. This is where the road ends and the jungle begins. Okay, it's time to leave this village and get back on the highway. So there are lots of such openings along the highway. Some of them are gates for the safaris, jeeps to enter, and I think I knew that was going to happen. And then the rest of them, I think, for the villages, like we just saw right now. We're back to this grand banyan tree. This is the Bison Highway Retreat. I think they said that this resort is spread over 5 acres. Looks damn good. This is right in the middle of the forest. These monkeys are troubling everybody. There's a whole group of monkeys. They're jumping on the roof right now. That one. यहाँ पे टाइगर्स वगैरह दिखा है कभी? यहाँ पे आजू बाजू रूम के पीछे दिखते हैं. Wow, you heard the man. Sometimes you can see tigers behind the room. That's crazy. Okay. No. I come in peace. Lots of monkeys on the banyan tree. That's the bike. टाइगर या लेपर्ड पीछे क्या दिखता है? टाइगर दिख रहा है. So this is one of the resorts that we were considering, but they don't have Wi-Fi inside the room, and there is absolutely no Airtel network over here. So that is why we have decided to move out of this resort and go to a resort 40 kilometers further away. Let me show you guys the highway. This was the highway that we went over last night. Absolutely mental. The forest is so thick, and the highway is amazing. So one of the waiters in the restaurant was telling me that sometimes you can see tigers behind. This resort is spread over 5 acres, and sometimes you can see tigers behind the resort, which is crazy. And the monkeys over here are playing with the dustbin. But I think plastic should be totally banned, and he seems to be the patriarch. I don't want to make eye contact with him. Bench forest right behind this. How cool. The whole bridge is vibrating when a heavy vehicle passes. It is so effing hot, but it is worth it.
I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a play. I wanna go down, stay.
Guys, I think there's an opening in the barricade, the green barricade. So let's see what view we get of the forest. I think the view is going to be amazing. Oh my god. Far as the eye can see, there are far as the eye can see. Far as the eye can see, I can see. As far as the eye can see. All dense forest. Amazing. This is proper tiger territory. Imagine. Superb. Because this green barricade is missing over here, we got lucky. We're getting a nice view. But I think this is so important because, as you can see, the civic sense of the people. People keep throwing garbage. I don't know why, but yeah, because of that, I think it's a good thing that there is this green curtain.
Uncomfortable.
Because the road is very hot right now, I don't feel the grip so much, so I'm taking it easy.
Only thing I need tonight, you're gonna give it to me right. Give me everything that you got to give.
Guys, did you know the story of the Jungle Book, Mowgli, is inspired by these forests of Madhya Pradesh? How amazing. So we are off the main highway. We're going towards the resort right now, and I just noticed there's so many safari jeeps parked over here. You know, that is what a wildlife reserve does to the locality. It becomes an economy and a source of income for the locals. The drivers must be owning these jeeps or must be driving these jeeps. So it's so important for wildlife conservation This is the village road that goes towards the resort, and we came across this beautiful looking temple, and it's right beside a river. If you can see over there, there's some women washing clothes. It's like a proper river through the jungle. Nice. 1 second, let me see if I can get a better view. Okay, we're going to be crossing the same river that I was talking about. People are swimming. They're washing their safari jeeps. Nice. Okay, for the past 2 kilometers it's been all off-roading, and I can see that there's a proper border of the jungle around all the farms, and there are more scarecrows kept near the border of the jungle, I think to keep the wild animals inside. We're going through farmlands, but just over there you can see that there's a proper border of the forest, Pench forest. See guys, this is the border I was talking about. All along these farmlands where you see those tallish trees, all that is the jungle. So it almost looks like a border, you know. And then there are more scarecrows along that border, I guess to keep the wild animals inside, because after all this is prime tiger and leopard territory. Imagine doing this road at night, and the village life gets over early, so in the evening this place is going to be very isolated, and then that is when the wild animals will move around more freely. I'm sure this is going to be a very adventurous experience to do this road at night. Namaste. Another river crossing.